gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move. So you gotta show 'em, baby. You gotta show 'em the real you. You gotta give 'em what you've got. No, don't let them see what you're not, 'cause you are strong. You are wild.
Good morning. We are in the office of the Director of Entrepreneurship, Nasarawa State University now. Please, good morning, sir. Can we meet you, sir?
I am Dr. Abdullahi Mohammed, the Director Entrepreneurship Development Center of the Nasarawa State University.
Perfect, baby, 'cause nobody's perfect, darling. But no, that.
My name is Dr. Mohammed Mahamoud Khalifa. I'm the Deputy Director in Entrepreneurship Development Center.
There's nobody in the world like you.
We are monitoring and observing the ongoing skill acquisition practicals for 200 level students who are taking the ESP 221 at the second semester. And so what we are doing this morning is to monitor the level of compliance of the students to this practical, and also monitor the activities of the facilitators who are well skilled and trained in the area of impacting this knowledge to the students. So the skill is not only important to the students, but important to the center, because we want to see how we can have a large segment of our students that are vast in various skills. And currently the center has 32 different skills, and the students are allowed voluntarily to choose a particular skill they intend to learn from. And what we are going to tell them now is to say that the skills are necessary. It is intended to imbue in them the adequate capacity to be able to start a venture in a particular skill area they have chosen for themselves. We hope at the end of their 4-year stay on this campus, they may have very slim mindset of picking a job with government or any agency. They will have gotten the courage, the necessary characteristics and skills to go into a venture, create a venture, sustain the venture, and add value by giving others opportunity in their own firm. And so the center is wishing these students the best. The center is encouraging these students to put in their best and to take the skill training with all the seriousness it deserves. Generally, this is what we are going to say here, and the rest you are going to hear us talk to the students directly.
All right, thank you very much.
And what we are doing in this center, we are training students to be self-employed after their graduation. They should not wait for government job. We will teach them in the classes how they will do business, and also they will come to the center, we will teach them in practical. That's certificate to even access a loan from NISA and other agencies.
All right, that's a very good one, sir. So please, can we hear your advice for the student as they are coming for the practical?
My advice to students, they should concentrate and take this practical very serious, because this is something that will help them after their graduation.
All right, thank you very much. Remain blessed and have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
There's nobody in the world like you.
221 has just commenced. And our aim with this practical is to imbue in you adequate skills. And that is why we didn't make any of the skills compulsory to anyone. We decided that you choose what you want to do yourself. The outcome of this skill is expected that at the end of the practical and you stay in Nasarawa State University, you'll be able to do something on your own without having to rely on government or any other agency for employment. Some of you may be laughing right now, but as soon as you graduate, the reality will be down on you. There are no jobs out there. And even if there are jobs, the jobs are not well paid. As I stand here before you, I know that government has no capacity in any way to absorb the teeming population that I'm seeing here. And after all, how much is the salary for a graduate? 50,000, 60,000? Will it be able to sustain and manage your handset? Buy you the same clothes you are using today? For the ladies, the makeup, the hair that you buy? Is it possible? Listen, you have to begin to think in a very different way. Some of the skills you see that we have given you the opportunity to learn, they are life-changing skills. And some of us are products of that skills. Even as we work here, we have several other engagements we are doing related to the skills that you have been given opportunity to take right now. And so, what we expect you to do is not to see this skill as one of those school things, examination things. You have to look at it differently, and that is why we're going to do something different this time around. We're going to identify the best of you in the area of skills and give you certificates. We're going to identify the best of the best in each of the skills and give you the opportunity to join the center in that skill to continue the learning process. Most of the economies of the world, especially each and every one of us standing here, must be using one or two things produced in China. And these products are products that came out of skill centers like this. Most of them are student projects. But when they come here, they are seen as quality output from industries. Industries don't produce. They go to universities and buy the patent. They go to universities and buy the researches. We want to see a situation whereby coming out from you, you are serious with these skills. You come back to the center, develop a particular product from what you have learned initially this period, and then we may come out with our own version of quality product. Even the ICT people, I just saw them working out there. You can begin to think how you can produce chips. It's doable, it's possible. The solar unit is there, is an opportunity too. The clothes you wear are designed by tailors or fashion designers. Opportunity is given to you, both for the male and female students that we have. So what we're expecting is that you don't just see it as one of those things. It may be the opportunity that will put you ahead of others. Some of you will be employed by others right here. I tell you, I have that experience. I have people who were with me at Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, and I have employed them one or the other in my businesses. I have people that you will find them when you are in primary school as teachers, and if you are serious and organized, you may be their employer. This is what we are trying to do. Not all of us will want to remain collecting pittance as salary. All the salaries you see around, including those collected by lecturers, doesn't take anyone home. So you have to begin to think differently. You have to begin to take skills. The next generation, even current generation of society is driven by those with skills. Even in where you are going to go and work, if you don't have extra skills, you are going to be a backbencher. I know none of you want to be a backbencher. You want to excel and you want to be the best. We expect you to put in your best today. It may be your life changer. Most salary earners don't have that confidence. And I want you to begin to think that you giving this opportunity is a life-changing experience. And entrepreneurs are those who see opportunities, who take the risks, who are willing to stand alone when the crowd is going the other way. When the crowd is going the other way of carrying certificate hand in hand, knocking the doors of ministries and agencies, you can say, I have learned how to make even beat, and I can do my beat differently, and I can assess the market, and I can convince people to buy my own beat. That's the kind of thing we want to see out from this exercise. So, going forward, there will be attendance. We have already discussed with the facilitators to take attendance and moderate your performance during the practicals so that they will get their recommendations and get the best and be issued certificate. At least, I believe not less than 500 students will be issued certificates. But if the outcome is better, based on this interaction, I can assure you that if 2,000 people merited the certificate, we're going to give them. Because someday, you may need the certificate to align with other partners. For example, CBN today, the national loan and other facilities that you need to fund your businesses, they will need this certificate to show that you have ability, you have passed through this process, and you merited the loan. I want to announce a very good development. Yesterday, we have some local and international partners who approached the Center for Collaboration to train the entire students of Nasarawa State University and certify them in online processes. They are coming to this university to provide the training and the certificate. The training is free. So what I intend to do, I want to use the current 200 level as a starting point. So each and every one of you, as soon as we conclude with them, we are going to announce that. We are going to take you in batches, department by department. Please avail the opportunity. Just know that currently life is changing. It is about the Internet of Things. And those with knowledge in online processes are the next generation of leaders and the next generation of drivers of our organizations. Many organizations currently are asking for computer and IT skills before employment is given. And so take every opportunity that is available. There is another training that is coming, which is called digital entrepreneurship. I want to assure you that whatever is coming, we're going to start with you.
No, don't let them say what you're not, 'cause you are strong. You are wise. You are worth beyond 1,000 reasons.
You are welcome this morning. Today I believe is the last day for your practical. Over these past weeks, we have made effort to introduce you to various skills. And let me tell you, for us here at the center, our determination was to assist you develop your capacity in your choosing area. The interest here is not just for you to come and do the ESP and pass exams. If you know the reality out there, especially with the current economic situation compounded by the challenges of the COVID-19, jobs are not available. Believing that having come this far, you are not going to withdraw yourself from the skills that you have become attached to. I have gone around and observed commitment from a number of you, which means after graduation, you are not going to wait for government or any private employer, especially if you look at the number that you have here. I remember sometimes ago when immigration advertised their vacancies for 10,000 slots, over 1 million people applied. And if some of you are old enough, a number of people died at the interview locations around the country due to stampede. That is to say, the jobs are not available. And we hope that with this, you're going to find yourself something doing right from now. So that when the jobs are not coming, you're already employed, you can even employ others. And the good news is that the center, starting from next month, will advertise for continuous training program, which at the end of the day will certify people with diploma. I have asked the facilitators to inform you about it. Please, when we advertise, we will place a limited amount of money, small amount of money for the forms. Buy the forms and interact with your parents, your guardians, and your sponsors. Please convince them to allow you pick the form and come here for advanced knowledge in any area you want. As I stand before you, I'm a beneficiary of skills development in the area of entrepreneurship. And I can tell you, as I stand here, I have my hands in no less than 10 different businesses that are running currently and generating money and employing people. Any of you can do it. It's not difficult. I'm not very close to you, but I can tell you the shoe I'm wearing this morning is for my shoe factory here in Kefi. Name is there. Sutra is the brand name. You can see it. I have 2 shoe factories in Kefi, and I have one in Latvia. The shoe making factory is among the many ventures we have successfully established and we're running. And we started in the same way you have started. And we're employing labor. So what it means is that those of you who take this training seriously, you don't have to worry looking for a job. As soon as you finish, you turn your back on any employer. I can tell you the salary is nothing to write home about. The salary will not be able to take you home. So please, take advantage that this university has given you. Use it wisely. Put your effort, put your heart, dedicate yourself. And I can tell you, I so believe that with your commitment, with our support working together, networking together, we are going to have a reason to help in improving the gross domestic product of this country. And I therefore thank you very much for the commitment you have displayed over these days. And I hope you will double it as we give you the opportunity to enhance the capacity in that area. And then finally, even as we speak, there are a number of you that have not registered. It is sad to inform you that nobody's result will be released unless those who have registered. You should know that this practical is linked to your registration and your outcome from the examination. Registration is mandatory. The payment is what is used for buying the practical materials, paying the facilitators, and providing the exam materials for your examination. Certainly, because that is part of the university regulation. You have to register. For example, now you have gone through the skills. You have used our material. Imagine if there is no funding. How would that have been possible? You go to a designated bank, either our account with Access Bank or the microfinance bank, and pay your 3,500 before examination. Because once examination is done, we mark within 1 week and upload the results. And results are uploaded for only those who have been duly registered. You register, you come to the center, collect your receipt, keep that receipt in a very safe place, because in some instances, there could be mistakes either from you or from us. And so, you may need to come and complain where there are issues. That receipt is needed. Make sure you write your name in our register, because it will be also, the register can also help us know whether you have registered or not. ESP alone can prevent you from graduating from this university. Because nobody can tamper with our result except the center. Unless we clear you, that carryover will remain, and we don't expect anybody to spill over. We believe that each and every one of you standing here is committed to his studies, and we are going to support you to get that result. Are we together? Now, we have learned that during this practical, some are carried away by their handset. Please, you keep it in silent and put it away. Please don't make us enforce any rule that will make us seize your handset. We have capacity to do that. We'll do it if the need arises. I wish you all the best, and I hope And I strongly believe, with the little I've said, you find a reason to commit yourself to entrepreneurship. In fact, all over the world, it is entrepreneurs that drive the economy. Let's be the drivers of Nigerian economy. Thank you very much.
Are you a student, civil servant, a writer, publisher, or a trader? Do you want to reach a larger audience for your goods and services? Enjoy a quality printing experience, printing classified documents and receipts for organizations and individuals. We also offer commercial photocopying services to all members of the society. Uninterrupted power supply. Open to all public from Monday to Saturday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. in case of emergency.
There's nobody in the world like you. What do you do when you can't let go? What do you say when you just don't know how you feel? And you know nobody knows how you feel.